Your potential is limitless. Believe it, act on it, and achieve it. Namaskar. Welcome to Next IAS. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will cover major headlines of the Hindu, Indian Express, and Press Information Bureau. So, without wasting any time, let's start today's discussion. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held extensive talks with Nigerian president, and key areas of focus include defense, energy, and trade. Prime Minister highlighted challenges such as terrorism, separatism, piracy, and drug trafficking, and he stressed collaboration to address these issues. Now, India successfully test-fired its first long-range hypersonic missile with a range of 1500 kilometers. It was conducted by Defense Research and Development Organization, and this missile is designed to carry various payloads for all branches of the armed forces. And do you know, friends, Russia and China are leading the development of hypersonic missiles, while the US is actively working on its ambitious program to develop a range of such weapons. Other countries including France, Germany, Australia, Japan, Israel are also pursuing hypersonic missile development projects. Now Kerala has suspended 2 IAS officers citing violations of service rules. Talking about service rules, All India Service Rules 1968 govern IAS officers' conduct, requiring high standards of ethics, integrity, and political neutrality. They prohibit officers from publicly criticizing government policies and from taking legal action to defend official act without government approval. And according to rules, officers must not engage in conduct unbecoming of a member of the service. But this term is vague and can be misinterpreted. Now India's exports of tuna fish increased by 31.83% in 2023-2024, prompting the center to explore new areas for sourcing this commercially valuable fish. Now Union Fisheries Department is focusing on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as a potential hub for tuna exports. Talking about tuna, they are highly migratory fish known for traveling vast distances such as from the Gulf of Mexico to Europe and back to breed. They are an important food source and one of the most commercially valuable fish worldwide. Now New Zealand's parliament was suspended due to protest by Maori legislators who performed a HAKA against treaty principles bill. Talking about HAKA, it is deeply significant to Maori identity and it is traditionally performed by warriors or to welcome another tribe. It involves chanting, facial gestures, hand movements, and food stamping, symbolizing cultural pride and strength and unity. Now, India's carbon dioxide emissions from fossil fuels are projected to increase by 4.6% in 2024, which is highest among major economies. Talking about CO2, it is the key greenhouse gas and primary driver of climate change. Greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, trap infrared radiation in the atmosphere, leading to the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases act like a blanket, insulating the earth and maintaining a warmer temperature, which is essential for life. However, increased concentrations of greenhouse gases, especially due to human activities like burning fossil fuels, lead to more heat being trapped, raising global temperatures. And do you know, friends, carbon dioxide is responsible for about 70% of the global warming, making it the most significant greenhouse gas. Other greenhouse gases like methane and HFCs are more potent but less abundant than carbon dioxide and thus contribute less to warming. Now, SpaceX will launch India's GSAT-20 communication satellite. It will provide vital services like internet connectivity to remote areas. It is expected to operate for 14 years. And recently, India has sent its first consignment of 425 metric tons of food grains and other edible items to Suriname for its social welfare program. India and Suriname share close, friendly relations strengthened by cultural ties and Indian diaspora dating back 150 years. Diplomatic relations were established in 1976, and high-level visits have further reinforced these bonds. So with this, let's conclude today's discussion. Thanks for listening, and for regular updates, you can follow us on various social media platforms.